A long time ago, in Kingdom of Lydia, the first gold coin was forged. 2,500 years ago, the Greeks and Egyptians traded goods and currencies with molten silver and gold coins, and their value were determined by their actual weights and their size. 500 years later, during the Roman Empire, currency minting was centralized and a government-run monopoly on currency trading was established. A centralized monopoly-like structure exists still today, with central banks deciding and ruling about monetary policies. 1,000 years ago, during the Middle Ages, copper became the most commonly used metal for minting coins and trading. Thus, by using copper instead of gold, it was possible to create coins with lower value. Monte dei Paschi, the world's oldest bank, was built around the time, and its only purpose was to facilitate currency transactions. The first forex market was established in Amsterdam, roughly 500 years ago. This possibility to freely trade currencies helped stabilize currency exchange rates. From Amsterdam, forex trades throughout the whole world were initiated. 240 years ago, 1875, the gold standard was introduced. Within the gold standard, a country was limited to only minting as much national currency as there was gold held in reserves. The gold standard had the purpose to guarantee the value of a currency. After the First World War, countries had to print more money in order to finance their expenses, which signals the end of the gold standard. By 1913, the number of forex trading firms rose from 3 to 71 within only 10 years in London. During World War II, the Bretton Woods system was introduced. It was a successor of the failed gold standard. Trading has come a long way in the last few decades. Not so long ago, the world of trading looked vastly different. To invest, a trader had to listen to the radio, read the daily newspaper, maybe even visit the library to research particular industries and individual companies. Once they knew where to invest, they would call their local broker and ask to buy the asset and what quantity they wanted over the phone. It was a manual, complicated, time-consuming, and unsophisticated process. The year 1996 saw the first generation of forex online trading platforms. The software development of trading platforms has seen a number of stages. Initially, trading platforms were based on basic programs downloaded to computers. This was followed by the development of easier-to-use interfaces and advanced features such as charting and technical analysis tools. The next stage saw the move to web-based platforms and mobile devices such as tablets and smartphones. Since 2010, there has also been a focus on developments to integrate automated trading tools into the forex trading platforms. The forex market is the largest financial market worldwide. Trading has come a long way in the last few decades. Today, a trader can receive a trading signal on their mobile from their broker. Open the app and begin trading. A few taps are enough to access the latest market news and open a position. It's automated, instant, and effortless. Since 1996, retail traders have slowly gained more and more independence. Systems became accessible. Indicators were custom-made. Expert advisors are the latest trend. And even AI robotic trading, which happens in milliseconds. News is immediate, trading strategies are tested faster, and market data is all around us. The markets are accessible 5 days a week, updated in real time, from anywhere in the world. Now, let's rewind. In 2010, a private, small, and anonymous group of the world's highest-ranking traders got together for a unique, top-secret gathering at a castle in Scotland. This castle inner circle, as they called themselves, convened regularly to analyze and share amongst themselves secrets and systems that very few knew about. They decided they wanted to see whether there were highly profitable systems that other traders were using that the world had never seen. To find out, they decided to run a contest, the first of its kind and largest the world had ever seen. A year or so later, the most prestigious trading challenge and the first and the biggest competition was held. It was called the Surefire Trading Challenge. This was a challenge where traders from all walks of life could enter. It was put together by this group of professional traders, and one of the judges was Adrian Jones, the current CEO of Tradeology. 10,000 plus participants came from various parts of the world to participate in the event. Then it went down to 40 people, then 20, until the best of the best were chosen. 20 real accounts, worth $1,000, traded for 1 month. Here's a ranking table during the past challenge. The table shows who made it to the top, and everything was displayed so that everyone could see. The profit gains were shown, the current balance was shown, as well as the numbers of winning trades and losing trades of the participants. These are legitimate systems that have been battle-tested and proven to work in any market condition. The few people who could actually make money were awarded cash and prizes. The contest was held a few times over a couple of years, and each time all the winners agreed to cede over the full details of the systems, and keep them secret between them and the inner circle, for at least a decade. Every single one was scrutinized to the limit, and finally, the best systems went into a hidden vault, a unique and valuable collection of a group of these systems, and custom indicators, together with some of the best systems, the master traders had carefully and meticulously gathered through the years, were put under lock and key. These were only accessible to a very small group of elite traders, and placed into what they called the Master Traders Vault, the holy grail of the master traders. Until now they have remained inaccessible to anyone outside the inner circle. History is now about to unfold in what will be a game changer for retail traders. Tradeology is about to open the vault for a small group of fortunate traders. For only the second time in 12 years, we are allowing people to have access, but for a very limited time, and only for 100 people.